Hey, what's up, everybody? So, I just wanted to kind of talk about what the rest of my week is going to go, how it's going to go. Today is Thursday. I actually have to work. My next day off is Wednesday, which kind of sucks. But I think I'll be able to get some stuff done. So I have a lot to go through to list on Amazon and eBay. Hopefully I can get some stuff done. Tonight I'm gonna get back at like 10 o'clock. Probably won't get anything done. I'll probably work on like my Amazon repricer tonight. Didn't get a whole lot of stuff done yesterday because I took stuff to the post office, and I took stuff to FedEx for Amazon, and then ended up playing basketball last night, and I didn't get anything else done after that. So I still have tons and tons of Hot Wheels to go through. I still have tons of Magic cards to go through. Probably go through the Magic cards first, because that'll be quicker. I can just look through and see if there's any rares or viable uncommons or anything like that. And then this weekend, I might try to do some sourcing. I doubt I'm going to get anything done. But I just found out the store I work at, where they have all their clearance toys and stuff. So hopefully, either tomorrow, probably not tomorrow, but someday this weekend, I might get a chance to look through that stuff and see if there's anything good. And then I can, there's a way I can look up, see if any other stores have it, and I might be able to travel to those stores and find what I can get. If there's anything that good out of these items, we'll just have to see. So that's really how the rest of my week's gonna go. It's not really gonna be that productive with having to work so much, so I'll probably have to work. Today's Thursday. The next 4 days I'll probably have to work 35 hours, maybe 30 hours. So not a whole lot to do. Might be able to get a little bit done, but I doubt I'm gonna get a whole lot done. Just this morning I was looking at my repricer and stuff, because I actually got a lot of my Amazon stuff sent back to me because of long-term storage fees. So anything that was in the warehouse for over a year is sent back to me, and I got a whole lot of stuff back. I probably got 200 items sent back to me. Which was nice for like shipping, because they send you so many boxes with stuff. There's probably 50 boxes or more of items that they were sending back to me. So that was nice, because I got some extra boxes for eBay. Ship stuff out for eBay. Let's see. So tonight, or today, before work, it's like 11:30 right now. I was just looking at my repricer because, so I got a lot of stuff sent back to me. So I only have like 150 items at the warehouse right now. And I was using the best repricer out there, which is like informed.co or whatever, and it's like $150 a month. too much to be spending when I'm selling like less than $1,000 a month. So that's gonna be ramped up. I'm gonna be ramping up my Amazon stuff, but I did cancel my subscription to Informed, just so I can get a different repricer, and I think I'm gonna get one that's around $50 a month. So that should be good for me for right now. Probably use that one for a long time. I think that's about it. That's really what I'm going to be doing the next few days. I might try to make some videos. I've been driving a lot more to work, so I'm trying to get these videos busted out for you guys. I'm trying to make a few videos every time I drive to work, so hopefully you guys like them, and I'll see everybody next time.